All right, I think we're good for that.
Yeah. Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, on the night between July 14th and 15th, 2025, the state of New Jersey was struck by torrential rains. This sudden shock turned entire neighborhoods into raging rivers, an event of rare violence, reported with gravity by multiple news outlets. Within just 2.5 hours, some areas received as much as 6 inches of rain, triggering flash floods. Streets quickly turned into rivers, submerging vehicles, shutting down roads, including the New Jersey Turnpike and routes 22 and 28, and flooding subway stations in New York City. In the town of Plainfield, 2 women in their 60s, Lubia Esteves and Forrest Whitlock, tragically lost their lives when their car was swept away near Cedar Brook. In nearby North Plainfield, an evacuated home exploded around 11:30 at night, likely due to a gas leak, but fortunately, no lives were lost thanks to the early evacuation. In response to the widespread damage, Governor Phil Murphy declared a state of emergency across all 21 counties of New Jersey.
Honey, you don't understand, it's gonna go straight into those cars and all of those.
Oh no.
It didn't hit the car though, it didn't look like.
It's not in the car anymore, you left. The guy was off.
No, I'm saying I don't think the dumpster hit the car.
Dumpster.
The dumpster!
Not the dumpster.
The flash floods seen in New Jersey were caused by an exceptionally intense and stationary thunderstorm.
Douchebag if I've ever seen one. Oh my god. Oh. My windows are flying back up. You're about to be in the water.
During this event, more than 150 millimeters of rain fell within just a few hours, fueled by a highly humid summer air mass coming in from the Atlantic.
Oh my god, look at all this stuff. Everybody's garbage cans. Look at the garbage cans.
Live from Plainfield, New Jersey. This is Leland and 3rd. This is what's going on now in Plainfield.
This extreme rainfall quickly oversaturated the ground and overwhelmed the city's stormwater systems.
Show una alarma.
Cannot see all the flooding. That's how bad it is. This is the worst it's been since several years ago.
Wow. Wow.
Systems that were never designed to handle such intense weather, leading to uncontrolled runoff and sudden flooding. To this, we must add the impact of climate change. Global warming increases the atmosphere's ability to hold moisture and intensifies extreme rainfall, making such meteorological events more frequent and more powerful than in the past.
¡Ay! ¡Ese animalito! ¡Métale las patas y no se le queda!
Finally, the lack of adequate infrastructure remains a major vulnerability. Many neighborhoods are built in sensitive areas, sometimes outside officially mapped flood zones, and are served by outdated or insufficient drainage systems, unable to absorb such high volumes of water.
Yeah, Tara, I know. I just want to get home too. I really want to get home. Hey, Cheryl. Hey, Tony.
What happened?
Trees are falling down. Road. Yep, that's yep. That's what it is. Turn up.
To all those affected, grieving families, destroyed homes, devastated businesses, we extend our deepest thoughts and solidarity. Stories like that of the Delgado Ramos family, rescued just in time before their home exploded, are a powerful reminder of courage and resilience in the face of adversity.
The worst it's been is all the way down past 7th Street. Cars are getting stuck. It is horrible out here. On St. Mary's, they're parking up on the cemetery property. People are parking in the cemetery.
The emergency is real. We must support the victims, coordinate rescue efforts, and strengthen prevention measures to avoid future tragedies of this kind. What happened in New Jersey is a sobering reminder of the force that nature can unleash without warning. But it is also a call for collective action, to reinforce our infrastructure, improve early warning systems, and educate communities about the risks they face.
Look over there, dude. That was a whole barrier at one point, bro. It's in the pinned comment.
What was he thinking?
Not the dumpster.
I mean, you know what he was thinking? He was thinking, I'm the douchebag who's going to move the dumpster and make everybody pay for my stupidity.
We're not really going nowhere, no time soon. Look at this water. Look at this water coming down East.
With unity and commitment, local and federal leaders can learn from this catastrophe and work toward building a more resilient future. And each of us, in our own way, can contribute to this recovery by preparing, helping one another, and holding on to hope.